Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. This batch of red petitions involving common question of facts and law were heard together and are being decided by a common judgment. Stop para. The petitioners have questioned the legality of clause 12 of the government order dated 1st June, 2021, which was issued in modification of the earlier government orders dated 6th April, 2021 and 4th May, 2021. Stop. By means of the impugned government order, the state of Uttar Pradesh raised the amount of ex gratia payment to the dependents of a deceased employee dying on election duty due to COVID-19 from rupees 15 lakhs to rupees 30 lakhs, subject to the fulfillment of conditions in clause 12. Stop para. The minimum requirements to be provided in the relief camps in relation to shelter, food, drinking water, medical cover and sanitation, para. Ex gratia assistance on account of loss of life as also assistance on account of damage to houses and for restoration of means of livelihood. Stop para. It is evident from the above quoted provision that ex gratia assistance on account of loss of life is one of the measures for restoration of the means of livelihood to the members of aggrieved family. Stop. The state government is also empowered under section 38 of the Act of 2005 to take measures defined under section 38 within bracket 2, which include the financial help in the nature of ex gratia payment under section 38 within bracket 2, and this is how the aforesaid government orders have come to be issued for compensating the loss of lives to the dependents of those who, on being deputed to perform election duties in the UP Panchayat elections 2021, contracted COVID-19 and died. Stop. Section 38 within bracket 2 for ready reference is reproduced here under para. Thus, we are of the considered opinion that the field of compensation beyond the scope of section 12 within bracket 3rd of the Disaster Management Act, 2003 is well protected as against negligence or things not done in good faith, irrespective of any measure such as ex gratia, but in the present case it is the claim of ex gratia payment which we are concerned with. Stop para. Now coming to the aspect as to whether the victims named in the chart set out herein above have died of COVID-19 or otherwise. Stop. Sri Ashok Khare has taken us through the apex court judgment passed in the case of Gaurav Kumar Bansal versus Union of India and others. Stop. We find that deaths having taken place in the hospitals on account of COVID-19 fully stand the test of certification. Stop. The argument that the medical reports mentioning cardiac failure or otherwise may not be attributed to COVID-19 does not impress the court for the reason that COVID-19 is an infection that may result to the mortality of a person affecting any organ, be it lungs or heart, etc. Stop. Once the admission of deceased persons was on account of COVID-19, the resulting cause being heart failure or dysfunction of any other organ leading to death is immaterial and would nevertheless be treated as COVID-19 death. Stop. No other argument was advanced for our consideration, therefore, having given our anxious consideration, we allow the claims in terms of our observations made herein above. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, आज जोड़ के विनती है।